Hi, in this set of videos we are going to discuss developing for the web based on migrated applications that were never designed to go to the web. A lot of customers have a huge client-server application and would like to gradually move it to become a web application. And this set of videos is targeted at showing what is the required task, what is the required effort, and how much .NET makes that life easier for you. So let's start by reviewing the original application. In our case, we're going to use the demo Northwind application. It's a basic application. It has a few tables, it has a few programs. When you run it, it looks something like this. You can see the customers, you can see the orders, and you can go and print each and every order. Now, obviously this code never dreamed of the web. This report is a normal report, doesn't even use PDF. And in our demo, we're going to show how we can reuse this functionality as part of our web solution. So let's start by seeing the result, and then we'll work our way back into what we were trying to achieve or how we achieved this result. So we'll switch back to the browser. Here we are using the .NET MVC project template. And we're going to go to the search bars that we've added. We can see how we can search here for customers. We can give a letter and to search for customers who have that letter in the beginning of their name. Anything we'd like, we can go and select the customer. We can see the customer's orders. We can see orders which their order date is Monday, colored with red. And when we click the print button, we can see actually the printout of that order in our browser. Now, this report again was never designed to go to the web, but you can see it here now in the browser. Let's review what are the elements that have taken place here and how can those be delivered or developed from now. So in the web application architecture, on the client side, and there's a server side. On the client side, we'll be running HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript. The advantage of using these technologies is that this can run virtually anywhere. It can run on any phone today, it can run on your television, or anything that has a browser on it, of course, your desktop, your clock, anything. Okay. And that's the true beauty of using HTML and JavaScript. It's the really true cross-platform technology. We're going to use frameworks such as AngularJS, which gives me great responsiveness at the client side, and Bootstrap to give me a UI that is reactive. Let's go and revisit that. Because the idea here is to develop a front-end one and reuse it throughout any technology we use. So this is currently viewed as the website, but the same code without any change will be able to run on a mobile. I can choose to run it, let's say, on an iPhone 5, and it will look like this on an iPhone 5. And if I click my search capabilities, I can see that I can search on that iPhone 5, see my orders, scroll up, scroll down, and even print on my iPhone 5. I can turn it portrait and landscape. The same work that you do once, the same single website that you develop, is designed to run on any platform. Okay, so it can run on the mobile, it can run on the desktop, and you don't need to do separate views or separate UIs for separate devices. You can do some very cool tweaks like we've done over here. For example, hiding a few columns on a small, the required data sheet that we've hidden them on the iPhone. You can do those kind of tweaks very, very easily. So really, this is the power of using HTML5 JavaScript and the framework Angular and Bootstrap. Specifically for the responsive UI, Bootstrap is in charge. On the client side, on server side, we're going to use MVC.NET, and we're going to use the migrated .NET application. The goal here is to reuse to the maximum the existing code that you've wrote for client server as part of your new web solution. You don't have to rewrite a lot. You can use a lot of the code that you have. You just need to write a JavaScript HTML5 frontend, but all the data access layer, all the patches, all the data views, all the reports, all of them are available for you. Now in our demo, there were several web requests. There was one to go and get the HTML page. Okay. There was one to go and get the customers. Okay, we search for customers based on a search string, and we get the customers that match that search string. There was one to get the orders based on the customer ID, and there was one to print the report based on that order ID. Cool, so this is the overlay of our demo. In the next videos, we're going to write first of all the server side, and after that we're going to go and write the client side. Stay tuned.